This video I'm going to be showing you how you can back up your WhatsApp messages. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is just click on WhatsApp and click on this top right corner three dots and then click on this settings and now click on this chats. Okay, and just scroll down and click on this chat backup. Okay, and now here you have two options for backup. Okay, the first one is local backup, in which you can backup your WhatsApp messages in your phone's internal storage. Okay, just click on this backup button and your data will be downloaded to the phone's local storage. Okay, I will show you where the data will be stored. And now this one is Google Drive settings, so you can save your data in your Google Drive. And here when you click on this backup to Google Drive, and there are so many options that if you don't want to save your data in Google Drive, then just click on this never. Or if you want to click on this only when I type backup button, okay, then only you will be able to save your data to Google Drive. So daily, weekly, monthly, so there are so many options. I recommend selecting this daily option because you don't have to do anything. Okay, you just have to click on daily and it will be automatically backupped to your Google account that you have selected here. Okay, so now there are two options in this also, backup over. You want your backup to be downloaded on Wi-Fi or on your cellular network, so I will select on the second one. Okay, and if you want to include your backup storage, that you want your videos also, then you can just click on here. Okay, just tap on once and it will be uploaded, but I don't want, so that's it. So now I'm going to be showing you where this local backup, okay, where this local backup is stored in our phone's internal storage. So let me just close it. Now open your file manager. Okay, so this is mine. Just search it, file manager, and open it. Now go to this internal storage. Okay, now scroll all the way down and just click on this WhatsApp, and now click on this databases. And as you can see, these are your WhatsApp messages that are being stored in your phone memory. Okay, so as you can see, message stored on whichever date, also it is given in which date you have downloaded your local data backup. Okay, so that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, then make sure you hit the like and let me know in the comments. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon. I really appreciate that.